Hello.
Hey, thanks for having me.
Thanks for coming.
Yeah, so I just have a couple questions for you today.
Yeah, of course.
The first one is, how do you start your day?
I usually start it with Brian. We try to get about 10 minutes at least of coffee time before the kids. Oh, watch out. Watch the Hot Wheel.
Awesome. Are you more of a coffee person or a tea person?
Coffee. Would you like some?
Oh, I love some. Thank you so
Okay,
much.
cool. It's going to be loud.
What made you want to become a chef?
I've always been drawn to the flavors and just the fact that it is something that we need every single day. And then it just came naturally to me. So you do what comes easy to you naturally, I guess.
Awesome. What's the first dish you've ever learned to make?
That's a tough question. I feel like it may have been a Lebanese salad, mainly because I would watch my parents cook and kind of take it all in. Um, but yeah, that was the first thing.
What's your go-to dish for a busy weeknight?
I would have to say it depends on the season. In the summer, it's definitely grilled meats, a steak or a marinated grilled chicken. And then in the summers, authentic bolognese sauce that hopefully I already had frozen that I made earlier.
What's your favorite ingredient to cook with?
Just one,
Yep.
butter and olive oil.
Yeah, love that.
Sorry, I had to.
What's one kitchen gadget that you can't live without?
I would have to say my stove slash oven.
What's your signature dish?
Ooh, I would have to say chicken fricassee. That's kind of my go-to fancy dish.
What do you want people to feel when they eat your food?
Joy. Joy and comfort, and also, yeah, just joy. I want them to be happy.
So you have a couple of kids, right?
I have three.
Yes. Wow. What are their ages?
9, 7, and 4.5, going on 15.
What are some of your favorite activities with your kids?
I really enjoy reading with them. That sounds really boring, but it's a time that I'm a touchy-feely person, and it's a time for us to kind of slow down and snuggle. I do that every day, or at least I try to with my youngest. Um, I also enjoy playing outside and playing board games with them.
What's the funniest thing your kids have said about your cooking?
Oh my goodness. So I always say if I ever opened up a restaurant, which that's not the plan yet, that any food critic could come at me because I've heard it all from my middle child, my son. He tends to be a little bit of a picky eater. He's growing out of it, but he would say, this stuff is torture. This is disgusting food. This is disgust. So, you know what? I've heard it all.
Who's the best taste tester in your house?
Oh, besides me, actually, Brian's pretty good too, but I would have to say my daughter, my firstborn.
What's the best trip you've ever taken?
Ooh, there are many. I would have to say when we lived abroad, I don't know if that counts as a trip, but we lived in 8 different countries over 6 months. They were all European, and we did that with when my oldest was 3 and my middle was not even 1.5. Wow. So it was a big adventure, and I miss it, believe it or not.
That's awesome. What's one destination still on your bucket list?
Vietnam. Mm-hmm. Japan too. I've heard that's delicious.
All right. What's your least favorite cooking utensil?
You want to know?
Yeah.
An apple corer and slicer. It is so chunky, such a waste of space. And honestly, I'll teach you how to use a knife. It's way quicker.
What's your favorite snack?
Vegetables of all kinds. And dips are welcome as well.
What's the next big thing for you?
Okay, I actually recently filmed a pilot for a cooking show, Cooking Meets Travel. And I have been trying to get that in the right hands, but I think I'm going to do it myself and throw it out there. So that's going to be coming onto YouTube within the next month. And I'm actually quite excited to share just our travels and our experience and the recipes with everyone.
What advice would you give to aspiring chefs?
I would say don't give up if you mess up the first time. But even though if cooking isn't intuitive, it can still be learned. And truly anyone can cook. So my goal is to help everyone feel confident in the kitchen so that it shines through their food.
Sweet or savory?
Always savory.
What is the best compliment somebody said about your cooking?
The best compliment is when somebody tells me I don't like that ingredient and then I cook it for them and they say, wow, what'd you do with this? I actually really like it. I would eat this. Oh, there's that Hot Wheels again.
Okay. What is something somebody would be surprised to learn about you?
Probably that along with my last name, I actually am a painter and I paint primarily watercolors. I actually did all on the wall up there. Thanks.
Wow.
It's fun. It's peaceful.
So now I have some rapid fire questions.
Oh,
right.
stressful. Okay.
Favorite color?
Green.
Favorite season?
Fall.
Favorite holiday?
Christmas.
Morning or night person?
Morning.
Favorite movie of all time?
Julie and Julia.
Perfect. What's your go-to karaoke song?
Oh man, give me some Lady Gaga.
What's the best dessert?
Personally, tiramisu.
What's the best smell in a kitchen?
Besides the windows being open, I would have to say butter and onions. It's God's gift to mankind.
That's all the questions I have. Thank you so much for taking me
Aw.
around Christina's kitchen.
Thanks for coming. I appreciate it.
Yes. And where can we find more about you?
Oh man. Okay. Christina'sKitchen.com. I also have YouTube. That is at It's Christina's Kitchen. And that's where you can also find my Instagram. And on YouTube and Instagram is where I share tips and tricks to help you build your confidence in the kitchen.
Perfect. Great. Thank you, Christina.
Thank you, Kelly.